In this video, I'm going to show you how to join the Sailorpiece Discord server as quickly as possible. To start, head over to the left-hand sidebar of your Discord client, locate the circular button with a plus sign, which is the Add a Server icon, and give that a click. A new window will appear with several options. Look toward the bottom where it says Have an invite already and click on the Join a Server button. Now, in the invite link text box, you'll need to enter the specific server name. Carefully type in Sailorpiece. Make sure it's all one word and spelled exactly like this. Once you've double-checked the spelling, click the Join Server button in the bottom right-hand corner. Discord will then process the request and instantly add you to the server. You should now see the Sailorpiece icon in your server list and you're ready to start chatting. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, like and subscribe this channel. See you next time.